Hi there, I'm Victoria, and in this video we will talk about how to find a niche for affiliate marketing along with the top 5 popular ones to look out. Finding your niche is one of the most important parts of affiliate marketing, as it's a key factor in making your affiliate website stand out from competitors. You've probably heard this sentence many times during your affiliate marketing journey. But how do you decide on a profitable niche? While the central idea is to choose something that keeps you interested and is cost-effective, there are numerous other ways to brainstorm niche ideas to focus on. So, let's break down possible ways to pick a successful affiliate marketing niche, starting with listing your interests. As we know, affiliate marketing requires constant effort to build an audience and develop a content marketing strategy to share your affiliate links. That is why your chosen niche should spark your interest. In other words, it should be sustainable and enjoyable. List all your hobbies and interests, then sort them out by deciding if one of the topics is competitive, trending, and has a strong appeal in the market. You must be specific when choosing an affiliate marketing niche, yet ensure it offers broad enough topics to explore. Otherwise, your content ideas will be very limited as your business grows. For example, instead of choosing Mediterranean diet, pick something like healthy food and lifestyle as your niche. Once you have your topic of interest, it's time to conduct keyword research. Use tools such as Google Keyword Planner or Ahrefs for the initial search-related keywords. That way, you can look at the overall volume of searches and consider the competition level of your chosen niche. You can also explore other sites on the same topic to get a sense of their target keywords. Are there any words that appear multiple times across different web pages? Then look for a subcategory niche with a lower competition rate and plan your content within that topic. Alternatively, find topics with lower competition rates by searching for long-tail keywords containing at least 3 or 4 words. You don't have to be an expert to profit from a specific niche. What's more important is to have a unique perspective on your topic and strive to learn more. So, if you still don't know what interest to focus on, consider looking for the latest trend in the market. Use online tools like Google Trends, Trend Hunter, and Exploding Topics to see the terms currently trending online. Let's use Google Trends as an example. First, click the Trending Now tab and enter the search terms related to your desired niche. Choose a country you wish to track from the drop-down list and hit Enter. You can adjust the time frame of your report using the drop-down search function above the graph. Doing so will help you study recent trends and observe longer-term trend patterns. If you have another chosen niche in mind, you can compare them by clicking Compare and adding a search term. If you scroll down, you will see the related search queries you can use as ideas to implement in your content marketing strategy. Continue experimenting with different search terms to refine your results and regularly check Google Trends to stay updated. Monitor shifts in interest, emerging keywords, and changing regional preferences. This will help you adapt your affiliate marketing strategies and stay ahead of the competition. Moving on, look for niche ideas in different marketplaces. The first step is identifying the marketplaces most relevant to your affiliate marketing goals. It can be anything as popular as Amazon, eBay, Etsy, or any niche-specific yet smaller marketplace related to your target industry. Explore popular categories or sections that align with your interests or expertise. Look for ones with a significant number of listings, active buyers, and numerous products or services. Analyze the product titles and descriptions of the top-selling items. Scan for keywords and phrases that are frequently used as they indicate what potential buyers are searching for. Pay attention to customer reviews, ratings, and sales ranks to assess their popularity and learn customers' pain points. Oh, and speaking of which, customer pain points refer to the unmet market needs of products or services that can cause some form of annoyance for the client. Identifying them can form new ideas for potential affiliate marketing niches or specific product features in demand. Besides reading customer reviews on marketplaces, you can search for customer pain points by creating polls or surveys on social media. Once you understand the market needs, create affiliate content to convince your audience that your product recommendations can correct those problems. If you have professional experience within a specific field, consider choosing it as your affiliate marketing niche. Your knowledge of market trends, consumer needs, and popular products or services will be very useful in identifying opportunities others might overlook. Moreover, your professional experience in a specific industry will show your credibility and build trust. So promoting related affiliate products and services will carry more weight and value. Another positive of having industry expertise is that you likely have an established network within the niche. This can range from valuable partnerships and collaboration opportunities with other professionals, influencers, or businesses in the same niche, increasing your exposure as a result. So, for example, if you previously worked as a financial consultant, consider choosing an affiliate marketing niche within the same industry. Use your expertise to sell affiliate financial tools, investment platforms, or educational resources to help your audience. Social media and online communities can be excellent places to test whether your focus niche is in demand. For example, you can do some social listening by searching your niche keywords on popular forums, Facebook groups, YouTube comments, influencers' social media pages, or other online communities related to your niche. List current trends and study which product type has a high buying intent for you to promote. Another way to look for a profitable niche within a chosen field is to compare existing affiliate websites and find the gap you can fill. You can benefit from sources like similarweb.com to analyze information about the website's niche category and total revenue. Then list down the most popular affiliate websites within your niche and look for potential keywords on their website. To stand out from the competition and profit from your chosen niche, you must design better content or aim for keywords with fewer content pieces. Make your content valuable and feature better quality products. Another way is to check which subcategory your competitors lack or focus less on, and become an expert and reliable information source within that niche. Using affiliate networks to find a niche can also be worth it for individuals who wish to scale up their affiliate websites. Some of the most popular affiliate networks include ShareSale, CJ Affiliate, and Rakuten Marketing. While looking for potential niche options through keyword popularity, you can get more details about an affiliate program's potential earnings and commission rates. Generally, affiliate networks display an abundance of keywords by grouping them according to each area, saving time in researching. Something to keep in mind is that most affiliate networks aren't freely available, so if you have an extra budget for this, sign up for an account. You can look for affiliate niche options on website marketplaces, as such websites will have their value listed, including total earnings. Some website marketplaces aren't free, so I recommend choosing ones that are. We just want to check the listings, nothing more. Let's use Flippa as an example. You can search for any chosen niche or scroll down to see popular listings. So if you type healthy food here, you will see the website listing results. You can also click View Listings to see additional details about a website. Such listings let you project potential earnings for a certain niche. Moreover, you can also estimate how much investment you should make to get a certain amount of income. You can do this by comparing the number of views to the total money earned on the website. Now, let's review the top 5 niches with a broad market range to better understand profitable affiliate marketing niches. Health niche is an evergreen affiliate marketing vertical. As important as it is to improve health awareness, people seek information online about preventing illnesses, building a better physique, and developing wellness habits. the global health and wellness market value is forecast to reach $7 trillion by 2025, making it a profitable affiliate marketing niche. Smaller niches like vitamins, supplements, and exercise routines record high search volume, providing even more opportunities to start affiliate marketing. Target performing sub-niches by writing tips, reviews, and links to your website's health affiliate products. Nonetheless, remember to keep track of changing trends in the health and wellness niche. Check the websites providing health and fitness affiliate programs like FanFuel or Fitbit and start creating your own content. People have increasingly gotten more involved in stock trading and cryptocurrencies in the past few years, and the investment niche is still trending. But in reality, finance is quite complex, and there will be a learning curve before someone can apply their knowledge and skills to make money online. You can use this gap as an excellent opportunity for affiliate marketing if you have financial expertise. Write or create videos about investing guides, cryptocurrency tips, and financial management tools to help people plan their future capital. Or if you want to enter the finance niche but don't have advanced skills, you can try the personal finance management sub-niche. Remember that the finance affiliate products may have a longer sales process due to the subject matter. Also, be careful of scam websites offering illogical investment returns. Much to everyone's relief, the travel industry is slowly recovering after the COVID-19 pandemic, showing an improvement in reopened borders and flight routes. International events and business trips are back on track, meaning there's a possibility to promote luxury products to potential customer segments. A good content marketing strategy may land you travel business partnerships. Cover popular topics like staycations, workations, or city tours by writing reviews or tips on your website. Also promote local destinations in your area through social media to engage with potential customers and generate more traffic to your website. Online global travel agencies such as Booking.com have an affiliate marketing program with high commission rates. If you want to target Asian-based markets, you can try joining Klook's affiliate marketing program. Home decor is a fun, ever-growing, and profitable affiliate marketing niche. Its market value is forecast to increase by 20% and reach over $200 billion in 2024. So consider this niche if you love decorating as a hobby and want to make money online. Besides, gardening has become a new leisure activity after the remote work culture became a norm. Some want to add more harmony to their homes by caring for plants, while others might be more interested in growing healthy food ingredients at home. These hobbies also have many sub-niches to explore and can bring more products to review or feature on your affiliate website. Some related websites like Wayfair and Succulents Box offer affiliate programs you can join. Write tutorials about current trends or articles to promote your affiliate products. Technology is a growing industry, and there will always be something new to explore. As internet users worldwide surpasses $5 billion in 2023, there are a lot of topics to cover, including web hosting, mobile apps, or editing software reviews on your website. Not to mention the number of apps and software to support remote work and online business keeps growing year after year. Video and blog product reviews are excellent if gadgets and devices are more your areas of expertise. Examples of profitable tech affiliate marketing programs include Impact and Rakuten. And you can join affiliate programs from popular tech solutions like SEMrush or Microsoft. If you want to join Hostinger's affiliate program, you'll find the link in the description below. So that's all I have for you today. Let me know your chosen affiliate marketing niche, or if you have further questions, by leaving a comment below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your affiliate marketing friends. Subscribe to Hostinger Academy channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and good luck on your online journey.